So in this video, we're just going to do a quick update on the 8700K RTX 2060 build with some of the parts we got in and just give you a quick update on where we're going to be headed going forward. So first off, we got our Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. So I'll do a quick unboxing of this. So this is 3200 megahertz RAM, 2 sticks of 8 gigs. So here it is. As you can see, we have our RGB right here. It's pretty clean. I was deciding between G-Skill, Trident Z, and then the Vengeance Pro. And I went with the Vengeance Pro because of the RGB customization. You have way more color options. The look of it is just cleaner. And from the top down, with this RGB, it's completely straight, which I like. I didn't really like the Z pattern with the G-Skill. So yeah, so here's our Corsair Vengeance. And then the last update of some new product that we got in for the build is this EVGA Supernova 750 watt power supply. It's 80 plus gold certified, so it's plenty good in terms of efficiency. And then just do a quick unboxing for you guys here. It comes with this little EVGA pouch. I don't know, I guess you can do whatever you want with that. Little manual. And then all of our cables. It comes with the 24-pin ATX connector. I think there's like 4 graphic card connectors, 2 CPU, 8-pin connectors, and then like SATA, Molex, things like that. They give you some Velcro cable ties, which is super nice in terms of cable management for the build. And then just to take a look at the outputs on the power supply and sort of the overall look of the power supply, all we're going to end up seeing is the back of this guy. So this is what it'll look like in the case, mounted upside down with the really nice EVGA fan underneath. It does have an eco option, which allows you to pretty much make the fan silent, make the power supply as silent as possible, which is pretty cool. So looking at the outputs on the back, you get your 24-pin ATX connector for the motherboard. You get 3 SATAs, 4 graphics card connectors, and then the 2 8-pin CPUs. So that's really nice in terms of output. It's, like I said, 80 plus gold, so it's definitely super efficient. So yeah, this is the power supply that we'll be using for the build. And then in terms of going forward for the build, so going forward, what's delayed the project so far is the NVMe M.2 solid state drive. So originally I was going to purchase either the 970 EVO or the 970 EVO Pro, but Samsung released the 970 EVO Plus. It's just not completely released yet. So I'm really just waiting for that to get released on Amazon in order to buy that with some of the money I have left over from my Turk account. So once the 970 EVO Plus comes out, which should be around February 10th, I'll be able to order that SSD. That'll be our boot drive for the system. I'm going to get a 500 gig SSD to be the main drive. So once that's ordered, that's pretty much everything for the build. All that's left besides that will be Windows. And I still haven't decided sort of what option I'm going to go with. Most likely just the Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Home edition for this build. So after the SSD gets ordered and then we get Windows 10, that's everything for the build. So we have our cooler, our power supply, our i7, our RTX 2060 motherboard, and then our Vengeance RAM. But there will be a small delay in the project. So once the SSD comes, probably either this weekend or early next week, I will be leaving for a trip over to Europe. So I will most likely not be doing this build until the end of February, probably like February, either like the week of the 25th most likely. So there might be a small delay. Hopefully I can maybe get started a little bit on the build If not, it'll be delayed till then. But I'll definitely be pumping out some more videos. Probably another video on as part of that tech roundup series. So if you have any ideas in terms of what tech products you would like to look at this week, post them in the comments below, and that way I can focus that video around that. If you like the video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And then if there's anything you want to see in future videos, please leave a comment below so that I can make those videos happen.